In this video, we travel back to San Diego to pick up our camper. Bobby was kind enough to pick us up at the airport and take us to WeldTec Designs so we could be reunited with our camper. What's up, man?
Oh, man. The keys to your camper. Woo!
Our DIY 3-inch lift kit turned out to create more problems than it solved. So Jeremy and Alyssa at WeldTec hooked us up with a custom 6-inch lift kit and new suspension. We are so stoked.
Custom. Lucky I just got these black ox.
When we got back to Bobby and Liz's house, we noticed the camper needed another teensy upgrade.
That worked really well. Did not work well because
Ever since we drove on the beach a couple months back, the hinge on our screen door has been incredibly squeaky. But luckily, Bobby always knows how to fix her up good.
oh yeah, I get her.
And Nora is always helpful. We hung out with Bobby and Liz for a bit before we decided to hit the road. They took us to their super special secret swing spot.
Big jump. Bye, Nora.
It was so good to be back on the road. And with the new lift kit, she drives like a dream. We headed north on 395 and found an open restaurant where we had our first cold beer at a table in months. That night, we made camp at a hot springs near Mammoth Lakes, and in the morning, got up for a quick soak. Thank you, baby. Man, California is one of the best states.
How cute you are.
We'd never heard of Lava Beds National
Alright.
Monument until we stumbled upon it. I can't describe how good it felt to roll up on a visitor center and it actually be open. If you've been to any other cave before, you must clean your feet before you go into the caves to prevent the spread of a bat disease called white nose syndrome. These caves were formed by flowing rivers of lava. Most of them are pretty much undeveloped apart from the staircases at the entrance, so you'll need to bring a flashlight, and I'd recommend a pair of gloves too. The golden color that is this cave's namesake is actually an effect of bacteria in water. When the light hits it, it shines like gold. Hey, cutie.
Hold it up. Thanks for watching.